Welcome back. If you're selling cosmetic products in the US, you must comply with the Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act, MoCRA. One key requirement is having a designated adverse event contact for reporting serious health issues related to your products. At Cosmereg, we help companies navigate MoCRA's requirements and ensure full compliance. But what exactly is an adverse event contact? And why is it essential for MoCRA compliance? Let's break it down. What is an adverse event contact under MoCRA? Under MoCRA, cosmetic companies must provide contact details for reporting adverse events. This ensures that consumers and regulatory bodies can report serious health reactions linked to cosmetic products. Why is this required? Improves consumer safety by tracking health risks. Helps the FDA monitor cosmetic product safety. Allows companies to take corrective actions when needed. Required for MoCRA compliance to avoid regulatory penalties. Where must the adverse event contact be displayed? According to MoCRA, companies must provide a clear and accessible method for consumers to report issues such as on product labels, physical or electronic, company websites, customer service contact details, phone, email, or web form. What is considered an adverse event? An adverse event is any health-related reaction linked to a cosmetic product. MoCRA classifies these into two categories: non-serious adverse events, minor skin irritation, mild allergic reactions. Serious adverse events, reactions requiring medical attention such as infections, burns, or severe allergic responses. What must be reported to the FDA? Hospitalization or medical treatment required. Severe skin reactions, for example, chemical burns, permanent damage. Life-threatening allergic reactions. Deaths linked to a cosmetic product. Product contamination leading to illness. Adverse event reporting process. How must companies report serious adverse events? Under MoCRA, companies must submit a serious adverse event report to the FDA within 15 business days after learning about the incident. This includes product details, brand type, batch number, nature of the reaction, what happened, symptoms, consumer details, if available, corrective actions taken, if applicable. How can companies manage adverse event reports? Maintain a record-keeping system for adverse events, must be kept for 6 years. Train customer service teams to recognize reportable events. Work with regulatory consultants like Cosmereg to ensure proper reporting and compliance. MoCRA enforcement. What happens if you don't comply? Non-compliance risks. Failure to comply with MoCRA's adverse event reporting requirements can result in FDA warning letters, product recalls or market withdrawal, fines, and legal action. Damage to brand reputation. How the FDA monitors compliance. Conducting random inspections to check reporting records. Reviewing consumer complaints and reports. Auditing product labels for missing adverse event contact information. Taking enforcement action against non-compliant brands. With over 10 years of experience, Cosmereg provides adverse event contact management services, guidance on MoCRA labeling compliance, adverse event record-keeping solutions, support in responding to FDA inquiries, full MoCRA compliance consulting. Our full-service compliance support. We help brands set up proper adverse event contact systems. We assist in FDA reporting and documentation. We provide ongoing monitoring to keep brands compliant. If you're selling cosmetic products in the US, MoCRA compliance is now mandatory. Having a proper adverse event contact system ensures consumer safety, regulatory compliance, and brand trust. At Cosmereg, we simplify the process and provide expert regulatory guidance. Contact us today.